Hi, I'm Tetiana. Let's make Revit MEP fast and professional. Let's dive in. Using the example of an AHU with 5 connection points, let's examine how to work with view filters in Revit. Now let's connect the ductwork and piping to the AHU. Once we place the AHU and connect systems to it, they instantly show up in the system browser, both mechanical and piping systems. I want to set up a view filter so that I can see only the AHU and the ductwork of a single system. There is no need to create a separate filter for piping, so we'll simply turn off its visibility in the view settings. We keep the supply air system visible. It has the abbreviation SA. Now we open the visibility graphics settings and go to the filters tab. Now let's create a new filter. Let's give it a name. In the middle column, we'll select all possible ventilation system categories, even if some of them aren't in the model yet. Now we move on to defining the filter rules. All selected categories share common parameters that we can use. We'll choose the system name parameter. Then we need to define the correct rule. We'll use the does not contain condition. The drop-down list will be empty with this condition. If I had chosen equals, the drop-down list would be available. With the does not contain condition, we have to type the system abbreviation manually, making sure the keyboard layout and case match exactly how it's set in the system abbreviation parameter. The filter is ready, so click OK. Now let's add it to the view settings. We've applied the filter to the view. Now remember our goal. We want to hide everything except the supply air system. To do that, we simply uncheck the visibility parameter. Everything that doesn't belong to the SA system is now hidden. If we want to create a similar filter for the return air system, it's much easier. We can simply duplicate the existing filter and change the system abbreviation. And we just add this new filter to the view too. We can remove the SA filter or just disable it by unchecking the first box, and for the new filter we also turn off visibility. That's all for today. Design smart, and I'll see you in the next video.